Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. So, as you can see, we are frying. And what are we frying? Mankeni. We are frying Mankeni. We are frying Cocoyam today. Wow, so let's get into it. So we have some cocoyams. We're just frying. This is just easy. It's like frying yams. You have some cocoyams which we're going to be peeling. Okay, so yeah, this is our normal way of peeling in Ghana. You use the knife to peel like that. You cut off the skin. Yeah, make sure don't cut a lot of the fruit or the food. Yeah, out, but we just cut it off. Okay, I think with this you can use a potato peeler, but we want this is what we know. Okay, so you just peel everything. You cut off all the skin and all the imperfections around it. Then you just cut it into pieces, really, and to your desired shape, how you want it to look like. I was going for crisp. Me, I like crispy, I like crunchy, so I just cut it in a way that I feel I'll get a lot of crunch out of it. So yeah, smaller sizes with a bit pointy edges gives a lot of crunch. So that's what I was doing right here. Okay, this is delicious. I enjoy this with my green chili sauce, which is coming to you very soon. Very, very soon. Actually, it is coming to you like a bullet, she said, with full force like a bullet. So yeah, look out for it. Okay, so yeah, I thought I was going to peel all of it, but Charlie, this cocoyam, it is huge. So by the time I finished peeling one off, I saw like there's a lot of cocoyam. So yeah, I took one small one and added it because I wanted to enjoy it. This, I really did enjoy this thing. It just reminds me of home. Wow, it reminds me of home. This is one of our snacks that we have, numerous snacks we have back home in Ghana. You eat it with pepper and some fish. And I also serve this with some mackerel that I fried, just simple frying mackerel, very quick. So yes, so once you get it all peeled, you make sure that you wash it thoroughly, wash it clean, because usually the the the, the cocoyam is dirty, the skin of the cocoyam is dirty. So as you're peeling it, like you're transferring the dirt onto the skin of the food or the fruit. So yeah, or the tuber. It's called tuber, isn't it? Tuber. So you wash it, and now I just added some salt and water to it, and I soaked it for a little bit, and then just fry it. So as you can see, it's all going into the hot oil, and I'm frying away. This cocoyam is very hard. It's firm. It's not it's tougher or harder than yam. So when you're frying it, you need to make sure that it is fried and it is cooked properly. So frying on medium heat is a must. If you fry on high heat, it will get crispy and it will look like it's cooked, and then it starts to burn, and then it's not cooked inside. So medium heat, so that it cooks through and through. It cooks thoroughly, right? Okay. So yeah, really simple, and as you can see, it looks really done. Actually, it cannot be doner than this. Dana, superlative of dana, done, done, dana, dana, done, dana, donest. So it cannot be donest like this, or done, more than, most done. It is done. Very done. So yeah, very simple and quick. So yeah, this is it. I served it with fish, mackerel that I fried, and my green chili sauce, which I said I'll be bringing to you shortly. Thank you all, and please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and please like and share, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.